Okay, I'm laying the top layer in this super adobe wall. We have a 10% mixture of cement and 10% water, and you can see it kind of has a sheen on it when you pat it. It's pretty dry, but just moist enough to work with. And then this is not a structural wall, so I'm using a filler. And what we do is we recycle bottles and smush them in here. And it's just like clay. Have my inventory right on this side. Squish them to the same level. And this is just used as a filler because it doesn't hold anything up but itself. Have to pat it a little bit, bring that moisture up. Pull it down the line, get it straight. Done.